Hello, my name is Chris, and I'll be talking today about I'm actually going to be starting basically an iPhone tutorial on how to use some settings on your phone. And basically, what I would be doing is kind of giving tutorials and how to fix certain issues with your phone. That way, you don't have to worry about going down to the Apple Store or going to the AT&T store, or basically going to like a next door neighbor and try to do a quick fix, and then him messing up your phone or they messing up your phone. Not that the Apple Store or AT&T would do that, but these are going to be kind of like quick tips on how to do certain things without having to drive through traffic to get down there to do something that would only take you 5 or 10 minutes at the most. And one of the first problems I'm going to talk about is connecting your phone, connection issues. Basically, when you go home and you try to connect your phone to your Wi-Fi, or you're having issues with your cell phone in an area and you're not getting your connectivity. As you can see from my iPhone, you got the three bars, the three circles. You're getting like maybe one, and your friends are getting like three or four. And you're trying to figure out, why am I not getting connectivity issues? You're thinking maybe it could be my phone, or it could be something around somewhere. Um, Basically, there's going to be an easy fix to that, and I'm going to basically show you how to do that. First thing you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to your settings, and then what you're going to do is you're going to tap on your settings, and then what you're going to do is you are going to go down to your general. You're going to hit your general, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to scroll all the way down to where it says reset. Now, basically, what this does is it's going to send you up to the sub menu. Now, what this basically gives, it gives you options on what you want to do. Reset all settings basically sets your phone back up to its default settings, such as like your auto brightness is on, your Wi-Fi is on, and it automatically connects to whatever Wi-Fi is available. It's various things of that nature. We're not going to be doing that. Erase all contents and settings basically set your phone basically back to default settings, literally. So say you want to sell your iPhone, you would basically hit the erase all content and settings, and it would basically set your phone back to factory settings. What we're going to do is you're going to want to select the reset network settings, and basically this is going to basically reboot your network setting. Basically, it's going to set it back to default settings. And so what you do is you would tap on this, and then what it's going to do is it's going to ask you for a passcode. You enter in your passcode, and then what it's going to do is it's going to give you a sub menu, sub warning. It'll say basically, warning, you are about to reset your network settings. Your phone's going to shut off. But this is all part of resetting your network setting. Your phone's going to automatically shut off, and then it's going to reboot itself. And once it reboots itself, you should be able. It should fix the problem. It should give you the number of bars that are needed for whatever carrier that you are using, their signal strength, or to allow you to connect back to your Wi-Fi that you have at home or whatever you're using your Wi-Fi at, so that you don't have to worry about it dropping out whenever you need, wherever you're on a Wi-Fi connection. So that's one basic problem I wanted to address with the basic. This is like kind of like your basic iPhone user guide. Um, the next thing I want to talk about is people want to know, like, how do you use what is iCloud storage and all that, and how do you access that. Basically, iCloud storage is basically going to allow you to store whatever you have on your phone into a cloud-based server. So basically, like, say you take pictures, you're going to take your pictures. What's going to happen is it's going to basically, it'll save all these photos on what is called the iCloud. And basically what you're going to do is there's an option that you would go into in the settings, and then what you would do is, I believe you would scroll down to not iCloud, but it's going to be in your photos, where it says photos and cameras. You basically would click on that, and then basically what it's going to do is it's going to give you options for iCloud photo library, and what you do is you enable that, and then as it says, you automatically store and upload your entire library in your iCloud, and you can excuse me, you can access this via iCloud.com from any computer or tablet, or any computer or tablet that you are using. Basically, you're going to have your own what is known as your own iCloud app, which is basically this. It's called iCloud Drive. This comes on all iPhones. It's automatic. As you can see, I've got 42.93 gigs of available space on my iCloud. Now, you get 5 gigs free standard. But if you opt out, if you want to get more, basically what you would do is you would go into your iCloud account. As you can see, where it says storage, and then up here where it says total storage, it's going to say 5 gigs available. Total storage is 5 gigs and then available. And then you can like manage. Here you can manage the storage that you have available for your what's basically on your phone and or what is in your iCloud. So basically, what you're going to do is you're going to change your storage plan. And basically, what this does is this kind of gives you like a sub menu on what you can buy for a storage plan and how much it's going to cost you per month to keep that running. As you can see, my current plan is 50 gigs, and that's $1 a month. Now, you don't have to enter in a credit card to use this. You can use an iTunes card and keep that separate with this, and it just takes it off $1 a month off your iTunes card. So say you get like a $15 or $25 iTunes card. Remember that it's going to take $1 from that every month. So if you have a $15 one, just remember you won't have $15 after that month. So it'll basically tell you when it's getting ready to take that off. It'll give you an email notification and say you're going to be charged $1 for your iCloud storage, and then you can go up higher than that, $3 for 200 terabyte, and so and so. And if you feel that you get 50 gigs and you feel well, that's too much for me, there is the option of downgrading, which Apple has incorporated into iTunes, I believe, or into iOS. I believe they started doing this back in iOS 8, maybe. I think I'm not exactly sure when, but they enabled this. So basically, you click on that, and then basically what it's going to ask you to do is it's going to ask you to sign in to view your subscription options. And basically, what you would do is you use your password that you use to sign into iTunes, and you enter in manage, and it'll basically allow you to downgrade from whatever plan you have to a less expensive one, or storage that you feel that is less, that's more for your needs. So say you have a terabyte and you may not need a terabyte anymore. Well, then you could go use the downgrade option. You can download to the 200 gigabyte, and you would pay the $2.99 or $3 instead of the $10. So that's basically how you would manage your iCloud account, basically. And there's an app for this also. So you basically, anytime you take photos or anything, you can automatically upload that into your iCloud. And basically, what you're going to do now is when you enable iCloud, what you have to do in order to save the photos, you have to have where it says iPhotos. It says photos. You click on that, and you want to make sure that your iCloud photo is enabled. And basically, what it'll do, it will automatically save all your photos that you take into your iCloud. And you can also have the option of keeping the originals, or downloading and keeping your originals, which basically takes up more space. So it's easier to optimize, which basically gives you the best picture quality at a smaller size on your phone, so that you're not hogging up space, as well as up in your iCloud storage. And you can upload your photo stream. As you can see, it allows you to do it Wi-Fi. So you basically have, if you have an iPad at home and you have your iPhone and you're on vacation, you take a picture. Once you connect it to your Wi-Fi connection, your iPad is automatically uploaded to your iPad or your Mac or whatever, as long as it's connected to the same Wi-Fi connection that you are connected to, and it will automatically do that. You can also do iCloud photo sharing and upload burst mode, which I've never really used either of them because I don't really share my photos with anyone else. But you can have the option to do that. And basically, that is a few of the tutorials that I'll be basically showing you on what you can do with an iPhone, and some of the small problems you might have, and some things that you may not know that you can do, or maybe you're not sure about, but you don't want to go to the Apple Store or whatever. You don't want to ask them or whatever. I'm just using these videos to basically help you out so that you know how to do things. My name is Chris, and if you have any other videos that you want to show, or you want me to post up to help you out with some things, just drop me a picture, comment in the comment, and Thank you for watching.